People have a big up cartel, big up VYBZ KARTEL, you know. You see me? And for all who don't know, Madonna, biggest white female superstar. The closest thing to Marilyn Monroe. Madonna turn out at VYBZ KARTEL show. Yo, phone artists now get them people, you know. VYBZ KARTEL had Lil Kim at this show, fabulous. So many superstar. This time the man have Madonna turn out with her Jamaican boyfriend. And I want to see her wind up. You know, join up with the lineup, be a thing. You see me? Phone artists now pull them people because them people don't know them. Levels to this. Levels scared. What the fuck do you know? You see me? Cartel are the man himself before phone artist come call himself man himself. And I move like a little boy. You see me? Yeah man, nobody now turn out of them man they show that. You see it? And if anybody for turn out of them man they show, you nah see nobody big like Madonna and the name them we call like Lil Kim. So me I say, you mad? Nobody no know the artist. God's around the world, the universe. First and forever. That's the thing there. Mm. Mm. Jaja, I tell you, yo, tell you. You know what say? I see one of the vendetta fan them. I try make the unsign, and him couldn't make the unsign. The man couldn't make the V with him on. You see me? I don't even do the unsign them. Me, I not do. Cause it come like a vagina, dog. It's like you say a pussy. You see me? I open up your finger with like a split. You see me? You can't, yo, everything rang up about everybody else will go against cartel. You know see that? You know, sister Isaac Buchanan win. And that put cartel name in the mouth of the haters them, you see me? Because them have to say a cartel influence. Whether or not it did it. But we know say cartel as the man of the power of God right now over the people and over the prime minister, everybody. See me? And the fool them are going like say it hard for no say it is better to choose Buchanan, Isaac Buchanan over the Vaz family. You know, take a rocket scientist to know say Isaac Buchanan is better in any constituency you put him in. Yo, him are the man for any constituency. If my place him forward, if for the prime minister spot him vote for, we have vote for him because them man they spend years of free up innocent out of prison. You see me, the man never do it for no fame. Long time the man free a whole heap of people out of prison where you see me I get unlawfully treated. You know what I mean? Yeah, and abuse and them thing. That's the man make them release a man where I do 50 odd years and him innocent. Yo, but on the dance, on rather pick some pretty fierce people when I do shit for no. See, well, don't even know the mystery. Don't even know the mystery. And would I think say them better than Isaac Buchanan. You have to know the past, to know the future, you see me? And we know Isaac past. But the dance people them want paint him as a fish because them fool and that is how them evil and try to manipulate the public with them stupidity. You see what I'm saying? With such stupidity. Even the serpent serpy, you're the worst. I say them on the sick stomach. I can't stand for hear all them vice to blood clot. I swear to God. I don't know how so much people listen to them Monday, you know. Them Monday just the vice of them Monday choose for represent him, you know. I could never choose the vice that for represent me. Cause that's one like the biggest Batman vice ever. When you listen to Serpy, the serpent. I tell you, say the day I go come with him, I'll crawl upon him belly, and the whole of them I got dead left cartel, you know. You know, all of them I got dead left cartel. Watch and see. So you know them a fight a losing battle. Isn't that say? Yeah. Cause see it? I tell you so them they go lose cause them they are free and I'll keep them finger crossed for cartel, live in a prison and not come out. And that them did see and think so go and fucking fold them. So the man free up. The man I do shows, on top of shows. And them can't stop it. Every show sold out. SYM on them daddy to Bumbaclot. You can't stop God people. Eh? You know, see what them call cartel? Sheep and them people them sheep while them are what? Vultures and drunkro. And them say them a vulture, you know. Them say them a drunkro. and them a dish out name as a shab snake. So when you use for them mat span for themselves, you get serpent for serpy. You fucking idiot. That's why when evil a pint them finger, them no know say a 3 more pint pack on them. You see me I say? Yeah, the hate is real. Hate is real. I'll foot a hype, I rate how him promote the PMP them, you see me? But a strokes I go lick him. I see him out a twist up already, you know. I see him out a twist up already. I don't know, him alone. I see other people out a twist up where talk on cartel. Cause cartel a bust them blood vessel or something, the more them see him. More them fight the stronger him get. You can't stop him, you want stick a bit. Tell bad minds that we nah no regret. Tell bad minds say a life over death. Me nah stop. Me a buju driver like Beyonce. Me a the survivor. Dirty crosses where you come in a me life. Where you want see me fall out of the sky for. Who fit me last breath. A boy they no born yet. A boy I the brother that na carpet. But judge a guide through the valley of death. You know. See me go up now. See me a feel you now. See me a beg judge give me a wheel you now. See me fly out and see me a seal. Any boy sell me out can't give me no yield. The more them fight, the stronger me get. You can't stop me, you want stick a bit. Tell bad minds, I mean, no regret. Tell bad minds, they a life over that. Oh, see Madonna, yeah? Mad thing. Can't stop the boss.
Champagne Sundays. See it here? 33 West Road on the forward.
Are you a bring belly come Jamaica? I know, you're not here about you.
Where say mommy boss it? See mommy say boss it.
Belly Sundays.
Belly Sundays.
Lie them a tell. Oh, bingo and bra.
Bingo, una come play bingo? And some sinker.
See what I bought at them, yeah? He might come a bingo and bra. Upon him.
Yeah. See big baller, yeah? Big baller. Una forward?
No, we don't stay to you.
No, no, in a jungle. And near Ugly Park Road. In a jungle. And near Ugly Park Road. Cause one from what you for call you know where you going with. Bad artist was. You know come give me a visit.
No,
Bro God was. Lyrical genius. Come give me a visit at Belly Sundays in the evening, yeah. No, I swear to God, I swear to God, me and Clean did a talk about you. And me I tell him say me I go call you, I slip me. Me nah go around you. Where you deal with? Where you deal with? Mommy say for boss it.
You can't boss it, man.
Yeah. I'm not ready yet. No, me I keep a event. Me can't left me event. Oh, my bar, no, me I show no my bar. Me I show no my bar. Me I show no my bar. Mommy, I come and show them my bar. You see them start do consignment liquor as well. So if you don't want consignment liquor, you want to contact me. You see them here? Yeah, I'm not show you face. See it here? So I'm not a joke thing. You see me?
It's your birthday. It's your candles.
Yeah, what? So when they are all of vibes, why him choose to go there, sir? What that there, sir? Sorry. Scrub. Where you go? Okay. Alright guys. Love you guys. God bless you all. Me go bust this here now and drink it. You see it? The bar is 33 West Road. 33 West Road. That's where the bar is. It's not just ink, it's a work of art that embodies your life's essence. Start your tattoo journey with DNA. Alright guys, love you guys. Stay blessed. Big up.